All right, GBMC, long time coming. Sorry for the delay. This is the video to find the winner of my thank you freebie for my first 5 MVP helmet that we razzed. We'll check the time, February 19th at 1:49 p.m. I'm going to go over to the freebie and type live. And we have February 19th at 1:49 p.m. There's the list of our 99 non-winning entries. Yes, John was the winner and one spotted that baby. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins the freebie, which is an Aaron Jones 16 by 20. So we will need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Reggie, spot 64. You are our winner. So, Reggie, please message me to collect your Jones. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 19th, 1:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.